Balance in life refers to the ideas of achieving harmony across various aspects of life, such as work, family, personal relationships, health, and leisure activities. It is the state of being able to manage multiple responsibilities and priorities without any one areas of life taking up too much time or energy at the expense of others. Achieving balance in life involves setting priorities, managing time effectively, and making choices that align with one's values and goals. It can involve making changes to one's routine or lifestyle, such as reduce, reducing work hours and increasing leisure time to better align with one's priorities and achieve a more balanced life. Having balance in life can lead to generate greater happiness, productivity, and overall well-being. It can help individuals to manage stress and avoid burnout while also allowing them to pursue their interests and passions outside of work or other responsibilities. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos for motivation